How to fix Roblox error code 529? A HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. First step, restart Roblox completely. Close Roblox, open Task Manager, end the process of Roblox if running. Search it and end the process. Next step, clear Roblox cache. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click local storage. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folder inside the log folder. Close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. Successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. Exit it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. Make sure if it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Roblox itself not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click Roblox application. Click open file location. Copy the address in the top side. Come back. Click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it. Scroll down and add it. So once complete after, click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add after enable in both private and public and click OK in the bottom side. Close it. And the last and final step, reset network settings. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.